Hi, I'm just trying to reproduce a bug that an EV blog forum member, Surge65536, did a video on and showed this really remarkable bug, and I'll splice it in here. It's just like really weird. Anyway, I'm going to try to reproduce the exact conditions that he got. So basically 1 meg points of memory. Roll mode is off. He deliberately specified that. And I've got the same voltage range here, if that actually matters. I've got a sine wave here. And also he showed that the frequency was 188.1 kilohertz. And that's exactly what I've got here, 188.1 kilohertz. I've got one meg points of memory here, and he showed that if you slowed the time base down and you actually got to 200 milliseconds, okay, so let's go 100, right? And this is the kind of the point that you'd expect it to alias. And I've showed in my review video that it does actually alias, as most scopes do, and they don't give you any warning. So I'll go to 200 milliseconds and I don't get the display issue at all. But his one shows like all this remarkable patterning out here, which I don't know would cause that some sort of, you know, reconstruction algorithm or something that's big, but because it's aliasing, it's going crazy. I don't understand it. Anyway, I can't get it. I can't reproduce it. Even if I slow it down even further to 500 milliseconds per division, I'm 125 K points. I'm at 1 K samples per second, 1 meg points here, and I'm not seeing it. I tried measurements on and all sorts of things. I even tried like putting the trigger outside the window, like outside here, so that it's not actually triggering. It's going to be guarantee that it's auto triggering here, and still nothing. So I'm not able to reproduce his issue here. And like you can see, like if I put it to like 100 milliseconds here, or like you can really see, like let's actually stop that and zoom in. You can really see that, you know, it ain't sinusoidal anymore, right? So yeah, we're approaching the, you know, where you guarantee that it's going to start aliasing. And here's one, although his one's an 80, is the 80 model. So his is the 70 megahertz, mine is the 100, but there shouldn't be any difference. And he said firmware 1.00, I've got firmware 1.00, there it is there. So yeah, I can't reproduce it. But anyway, I will start an EV blog. It was suggested that I start an EV blog forum thread for any issues found on the 800, 900 series model. So I'll start that thread and include this video here. But yeah, anyway, I couldn't find that. So that one's really weird. Please leave it in the comments or over on the EV blog forum if you're able to reproduce this, because I'm pretty sure I've got the exact same configuration that he's got, but it's just not doing it. So anyway, weird. Catch you next time.